As the name suggests, the potential power that the engine can produce has swelled to 900 horsepower and 1,250 Nm of torque. This great power is obtained through upgrading the twin-turbo V8 engine, which was originally 4,000 cc and has been drilled up to 4,500 cc. Plus larger turbo injections, 100 mm stroke-up crankshaft, forged pistons, billet piston rods and BoostXtra valves. In addition, the exhaust system has been replaced with stainless steel with a valvetronic valve that can be adjusted for sound. Another addition is to remap the EQ with new mappings for injection, ignition, and improved boost control. For appearance, the Brabus Rocket 800 also received a body kit supply starting from a new bumper, carbon fiber grille and roof spoiler. There are also exclusive 24-inch Brabus monoblock Z wheels with carbon fiber aero disc wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires, including the legs sector supported by Brabus Control aluminum coilovers that are ready to lower the body up to 45 mm. Other additions include cup holders, a cooling compartment, a 4.3-inch head unit, aluminum pedals, and scuff plates bearing the Brabus logo.
We used to look up at the sky and wonder at our place in the stars.
This is the world you've made yourself. Now you have to live in it.
The end is in our sights.
The future is already here.
No matter how hard we tried, we are doomed.
Say your goodbyes. Brace yourself.
I can see the end inside.
3, 2, 1. Hardwired. Disconnect.
Can you hear me?
Legend.
I have nothing to lose.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.